Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. Natalia here from Yulocs, and today I am going to be doing some interlocking on all this new growth. As you can see here, I am using Eco Style gel with argan oil, and shout out to my girl Wendy Swoops for the swoop band. I am still obsessed. I will be forever obsessed with the swoop band. It is such a game changer for working. I will also leave a link to find the swoop band in the description. So right now I am working on the second row. I already did the first row by the nape, and I have started the interlocking, doing all the rotations as needed. I really enjoy the wrapping method when it comes to controlling the new growth or the frizz on the outside of the lock. I really like to combine the wrap method with a quick small interlock so that the hair doesn't have a reason to unravel. It will stay in place. Also, the reason why I do that rub down is to ensure that the lock is healthy and strong and that there is not any weak spots. I do this on every single lock that I touch because I want my clients to know that if I see something that could potentially become an issue, I fix it right away so that there's no surprises for you as a client. I'm getting the job done, and your locks are going to look great, feel great, and be strong. Working on dreadlocks, locks, wicks, jattas, congos, natty dreads, rasta. This, for me, is beyond a passion. And honestly, I don't think anyone will truly understand how amazing and incredible this is for me as a human, being able to service and make and create and maintain and love and feel and give energy to anyone who comes to my salon to sit in my chair. It's incredible. It really is incredible, and I feel on top of the world, and no one can take that away from me. If you have any questions, concerns, anything at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I am more than happy to talk to you about locks. I am legit a lock nerd. I can talk about locks all day, all night, for the rest of my life. So for reals, hit me up. I will be more than happy to help you in any way that I can. Also, don't forget that Dreadsocks are still available on my website, Yulocs.com. Go check them out. There are some great colors, and come on, who doesn't want to keep their locks looking fresh as long as possible, right? With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and speed things up here. I look forward to seeing you in the chair or online, or who knows, I could be coming to your city soon when, I guess, things get back to normal, if they ever do. But we'll see. Anyways, stay in touch. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.